Hellen Ati, the embattled alleged baby mama of celebrity barman Cubana chief priest, has made a public appeal to the Imo State Governor, Uzodinma, urging him to intervene in a prolonged paternity dispute. For months, Hellen has been locked in a DNA battle with Cubana chief priest after accusing him of fathering a child. Despite repeated calls for a DNA test, the socialite has neither accepted responsibility nor agreed to confirm the child's paternity. In a heartfelt Instagram post on Mother's Day, Hellen lamented the difficulties of raising a son alone in Kenya, citing financial struggles and a lack of support from the alleged father. She called on Governor Uzodinma and his wife, Chioma Uzodinma, to use their influence to compel Cubana chief priest to take responsibility and undergo a DNA test.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I'm doing this video because I'm a mother too. And mothers who are out there, they know what I'm talking about and how it is so hard. And it's not that easy to be alone and struggling and the father is still alive. Can't look like the father is dead. That's another thing. But the father is alive. I have begged you, Cubana chief priest, come and take your baby. Oh God, don't tire. I don't tire. Make I remove the wig. I don't tire, Pascal. I don't tire. No food for this baby. The car is in the garage. I can't do anything. This small money that I'm getting, I don't want anybody to run to.
The ongoing saga has sparked reactions on social media, with many calling for a resolution to the matter. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.